Hi there, hi everyone, welcome. Today in today's newspaper of Tuesday, April the 19th, 2022, we have here in this newspaper an additional with 9 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 5 of them, half of them I will solve. The first one is a Sudoku with 1 star, the 2 stars, then we have the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudokus. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. Then a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix, and 2 binary puzzles. Binary puzzle number 1 and a binary puzzle number 2. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 9 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve. I've told you earlier. Those puzzles are that I solve the 3 stars Sudoku. Then we have a 4 star Sudoku I will solve. Tectonic with 4 stars. Binary puzzle and a killer Sudoku. But first the Sudoku with 3 stars. This will be number 4428. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have a 2 and 8 in the first row, so no 2 and 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8 in this big square. We see there 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. All right. Then 1, 7, 8. Okay. Then we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above, so that row, the only place left for the 3 should be here. Oh, wait. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 and a 2 in this column, so no 1 and a 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 and a 2 in this row, so no 1 and a 2 in those 2 boxes. The 1 and the 2 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. All right. Then let me see. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then, yeah. Let me see. 9, 7, 4. How about? Yeah, I'm thinking. 6, 6. 8, 8, 8. 8, 1, 8, 8, 1. Okay. How about these 3 missing numbers? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, 8 and the 9 is missing. 179, 179, 179. That means those two boxes in the first row should be the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. Let me mark those two boxes, okay? All right. Then. How about 6. Yeah. I'm thinking 4. The 2 should be here. 2. 5. 5. I'm scanning. I'm still scanning. 1, 179 and the 3. 4. 4. Let me put some numbers because it's taking too long. So I think this box should be a 4 here. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So third row, don't need to place left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row are both. Don't need to place left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. In this column, we need a 4. In this column, we see therefore no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Therefore, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, don't need to place left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. First column, yes. That means in this row we need a 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 there because we know one of these two boxes should be a 4. So that box cannot be a 4. So here cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, or there. We see therefore no 4 there. Therefore no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be here. Then 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is a 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5 in this column, so no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Then. Yeah, 5. 5. 9. Should be a 9 there. Together with the 2. Yeah. In this column, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this row, so no 2 and a 9 in this box. We have a 2 and a 9 in this row, so no 2 and a 9 in that box. So the 2 and a 9 goes in those two boxes in this column. As a pair, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. A lot of pairs. Yeah, a lot of pairs. Okay. Then we have a 5 in this column. 5 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5. Okay. We have a pair again. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 goes there together with the 4. We have a pair, 5 and the 4, 5 and the 4. Okay. 6. 6. Three missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in the middle column, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those two boxes in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6, okay. So now we have one box left in this column for number 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Okay, 7. This should be the 7, yeah. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. I've eliminated the 6 there, so the 6 should be here. One box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 9. Okay, 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 179. I've marked these 3 boxes. 179, 179. Now we have a 1 and a 9 in this column. So no 1 and a 9 in this box. The 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 7. Then. Let me see. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. Oh, well, I cannot fill this yet. 3 and a 7. Here also 3 and the 7 in this column. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. I've told you the 3 and a 7 and the 4. So 4, 3, 7. 4, 3, 7. And look, we have a 3 and a 7 in this column. So no 3 and a 7 in this box. The 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 3, 7 and a 3. So 1 digit left for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 4. This box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Okay, 2 numbers left in the 3rd row for number 7 and a 9. 7 and a 9. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. Then 1 box left in this column for the number 1. Yes, 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 and a 3. 7 and a 3. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about 1, 8, 9. 9 in the last column. 9 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. That means we have 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then. How about 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8. And look, we have a 7 and 8 in this column, so no 7 and 8 in this box. The 7 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8, it goes there. One box left in this big square. For the number 3, 7 and a 3. Now we have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 3. 1 and a 9. Overlook this 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this box cannot be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 1. One box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Let me see. 2 missing numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. So 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, this box should be an 8. Final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 70 minutes. Well, 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in these center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern. Maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those numbers, data, for more than 8 weeks. 475, 475, 851, 851, and 192, 192. I believe we have 2 pairs. The 1 as a pair and the 5 as a pair. Alright, thank you. And I will see you in a minute with the Sudoku with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.